So I was raised by horrible cooks. I hope they don't hear this.
Plancha, fish and chips, ensalada, papas fritas, Rocky.
No, I fell in love with food. I fell in love with the restaurant business, the adrenaline of the business to begin with, as a young kid. And then a trip to Italy in my very early 20s showed me that ingredient first matters. That a compliment to me has never been, oh my God, Laurence, that was so delicious. What was that? As opposed to, wow, you really pulled the eggplant out of the eggplant, you know? The farmers, the fishermen, the ranchers, they're the heroes. They're taking the huge risks, right? My job is to try and get out of the way. Sourcing fish has always been kind of mysterious, because fish is mysterious, right? At NOPA, we're very, very determined to be local and sustainable and use the best product available, but know where everything comes from. So specifically seafood, we're working with Joe's company, which is now he's connected to Corfini. We work with Kenny from Water to Table. We work with the OGs at Monterey, who I respect very much. We also get local fishermen that will pop into the scene and bring us stuff. I think there does need to be an education on all fish. You know, people are still walking around looking for orange roughy, right? Or, you know, these things that we shouldn't eat anymore. I see this all the time. And in fact, some of the fish companies I've talked to who have adjacent restaurants are getting stuff shipped in from other places. And they're selling their local fish to other places. They're not utilizing them locally. And the excuse is that's what the customer wants. The swordfish or the mahi-mahi or catfish or something silly like that. That makes no sense to me. I think it's just habit. I know for a fact that most people understand maybe 4 or 5 different species of fish. I think in general with sustainability and using local stuff, you have to be flexible all the time. NOPA Fish could, depending on how it's received, and so far so good, I think we could have a NOPA Fish in Mill Valley. I think we could have a NOPA Fish in Petaluma. I think we could have a NOPA Fish in my favorite place in the world, Sebastopol. I don't see why every community couldn't, get around a beautiful fish counter where we're just doing the right thing. So if we can figure out the price points and to keep it real, and if it can connect to other communities, I think this could be one of many. We'll see.